Walang takam at nakabubusog o nakakabusog na chibog at home mga tid namin muli sa inyo mga kahopisya, especially sa mga viewers natin na may sweet tooth. Nasubukan niyo na ba kumain ng mochi o yung Japanese rice cake? Aba, related kasi ang featured dessert natin this morning sa mochi. Pero nilagyan ng twist ng mga kaibigan natin from Ateneo de Manila University, ang mochi nila healthier and fruitier. And to tell us more about this mochi treat, makakasama natin from Fruchi, si Tay Orillosa. Yan, good morning Tay. Si Eric Chua and Maki San Andres.
Good morning.
Ayan. Pero curious lang ako paano kayo nagsama-sama to have this business?
Actually, we're group mates po kasi sa thesis namin sa school. So, we became good friends and we developed this business.
So, parang ang requirements ngayon yata sa school before you graduate, especially when your course is related to business or management, you should put up a small business to start off.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. What is the idea?
Well, so yun po, nagsimula po ito dahil ito po yung thesis po namin sa school po ngayon.
Mm-hmm.
And so tingnan po namin yung trend ngayon at napansin po namin na yung mga kabataan po ngayon laging busy, nagmamadali. So kaya po usong-uso yung mga on-the-go snacks. Kaya naisipan rin po namin gawin ang isang food product na convenient rin po dalhin kung saan. And since yung mochi ice cream, it boomed in the Philippines 2 years ago and still remains to be a hot dessert craze right now, we decided to do something similar po. But of course, we changed a few things here and there to make our product one of a kind and also po to make it more accessible to the market. Kasi po yung mochi ice cream po ngayon at 75 pesos a piece, it's not very affordable.
Ayun pa.
Yun.
So, ano yung twist na naisip ninyo dito?
So, Fruity Mochi is actually made out of glutinous rice flour o yung parang tinatawag na malagkit na flour.
Mm-hmm.
So, parang palitaw siya. Pero, yun nga, nilagyan namin siya ng onting twist. So, instead of having this plain flavor, minix namin siya with different fruit flavors.
Mm-hmm.
Fruit flavors na patok ng patok sa panlasang Pinoy. At saka, makikita rin dito sa Philippines.
Mm-hmm. Kasi nga, di ba, mga panlasang Pinoy, mahilig sa mga kakanin, yun yung ating mga native products. Pero, sabi nga, marami mga twist na naisip ninyo yung fruity mochi. So, how is this different from other na, sabi nga, naglalagay din ng twist dun sa kanilang mga products?
Yun nga po. So, when we say mochi, ang inisip po natin yung mochi ice cream na yun nga sinabi ni Faye na sa everywhere you go, makikita mo na yung isang stall. So, ang difference lang niya is that yun kasi, ang mahal nga. At saka, parang in-incorporate lang nila yung 1 to 2 centimeters of mochi around the ice cream. So inisip namin, why not make a product na puro mochi lang? So, parang, yun nga, naisip namin, na mas mura na, healthier pa.
Yan, okay. Yung atin namang Omithorn. Ano yung healthy benefits nitong product ninyo?
Actually, ma'am, may 3 aspects po ng health benefits ng Fruchi po. Yung first is that it's low in fat po.
Mm-hmm.
So, compared po dun sa sinabi ni Tay po
kasi malagkit, mabigat sa tiyan. Tapos, carb din siya, diba?
Pero actually po, if you compare it po sa, for example, yung mochi ice cream, 1 piece po of mochi ice cream would be around 3 to 3.5 grams of fat. While one of our Fruchi po would only have 0.2 to 0.4 grams of fat.
Malaking difference.
Yes, ma'am.
So, pero ano yung mga flavors available ninyo? Like this 3. Ano tong mga flavors na ito?
Actually po, the one here, this is melon. We also have the pink ones are strawberry. At yung isa pang bestseller po namin, yung mango.
Okay. So, very local yung mga products, yung mga fruits na in-incorporate ninyo dyan, ano? Sabi nga, kumusta naman ang takbo ng business?
Okay naman po.
Marketing side.
Yes, ma'am. So far, we've been going to a lot of bazaars po all around, inside and outside of campus. And we've been able to network po with lots of different connections who are interested po sa business natin.
Ayan. So, after graduation, have you decided if you will continue this, sabi nga, business?
Yes po. For those who want to order po, they can check out our Facebook page po.
And of course, I will not let the segment end without tasting this. So this is melon flavor.
Yes, ma'am.
Melon na melon. So, talagang flavored na yung
Yes, ma'am. We
Glutinous
infuse po
rice,
the flavor. So it's also, and actually po, there's also lactobacilli there. So it's also good for digestion po.
So talagang ni-research ninyo para
Very
yung health
well.
benefits nandun. Thank you so much sa pagbisita
Thank you
sa
so
amin
much.
ngayong
Thank you.
umaga. And of course, ang ating po mga nakasama ay ayan, meron pa akong white. Si Tay Orellosa, si Eric Chua, and si Maki San Andres of Fruchi. Good luck sa inyong business at sana ay
Thank you so much, ma'am.
mataas ang grade na makuha ninyo. Anyway, marami pa kayong aabangan, diskarte at trivia of the day sa pagbabalik ng homepage.
Sa homepage at